working on a 2014 Ford Fusion Ecoboost, the 2.0 liter. Taking out the purge valve line. This is the purge valve, and there's two lines connected to it, and it's right here, the purge valve where the green lock is, and it has like, I think like 2 bolts where the bracket is holding it. That's right here. So the whole thing goes all the way on this side, and right here I'm gonna change out the fuel pressure sensor. You're gonna disconnect that green lock right there, which is the purge valve line. And here's the new sensor, the part number for the purge valve. Now for the little purge valve line, I have to use a pick, so I push it into the lock and push it down. That way you can pull it out. And the big one, which is down there, it's a little bit harder, the one with the yellow lock. You're gonna do the same thing with the green one. Just put the hook in and pull it down. It's a little bit tight spot though. Now here is the old sensor. You're gonna use a 27, I believe, yeah, 27 socket, and it goes right into that hole. For the bottom purge valve line, I just line it up with the hole, and I use like a little pry bar to push it in, because it's way too tight down there. So I just use a pry bar, just gently push it in. It should pop right in. Now for the purge valve, that little lock, you're gonna do the same thing. Just use the 90-degree pick, and just go ahead and poke it in that hole and just pull it straight up. And there's the connector for the purge valve. For the sensor, it doesn't have to be crazy tight. Around like 10 to 12 foot-pounds should be good enough. And the last line goes right here where the airbox is. Right there. Tighten the screw. And then I'm gonna show you the code. Now I'm gonna show you the code. Alright, that's it guys.